I'm 6 Storm Team meteorologist Victoria Cavalieri. In today's edition of 6 Storm Team Weather School, we're talking about optics as well as the light spectrum. This is going to give us an idea of why some sunsets are brighter than others and also why the sky is blue. First off, we've got to start with the basics. You have an air molecule present, of course, in the sky, and when a beam of sunlight hits it, molecules will scatter colors in all directions. Now, during noontime, the sun is directly above the Earth there, and it's passing through a smaller portion of Earth's atmosphere. So it's essentially passing through this smaller portion, and that's causing all the wavelengths of light to be scattered equally. Watch what happens around sunrise or sunset. Notice the length here. Now we're passing through more of the Earth's atmosphere. When that happens, blue wavelengths of light are scattered preferentially. They're scattered out more, and because of that, what are we left with? The reds and the oranges. That's why during sunrise and sunset, you tend to see the sky and of course the sun look a little more orange. Now, the wavelengths of light also play a role in why the sky is blue. Air molecules, as we mentioned, scatter blue wavelengths of light more effectively. And as that happens, if you're not looking towards the sun, you're going to be left over seeing that blue color. In addition to air molecules, sometimes there's also dust and pollution in our atmosphere, and that also plays an impact on why we see certain colors. So a dust molecule or a pollution molecule tends to absorb more wavelengths of light, so it's holding on to those instead of scattering them out, and that often dims our sky color. Let's talk about how this impacts our sunsets. If there is no smoke out there, you could see a mainly clear sky, your sunset's going to look different than if we've got some haze or smoke present. And the way that it looks different is really in the brightness of the sunset. If there's no pollution, you're going to see that bright colored sun. The sunset's going to look spectacular. It still looks pretty amazing if we have some smoke in the atmosphere, but it's a different color. It's going to be more of a deeper red color because those dust molecules are absorbing more wavelengths of light.